In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove in Miro. This is a quick and practical skill that helps you keep your board clean, reduce clutter, and make sure only the items you still need stay on the canvas. In Miro, the most common way to remove something is by deleting a widget, which is the general term for objects like sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, images, frames, and other elements placed on a board. To begin, go to your Miro board. You can start from any board you already use, or open a new board if you are just practicing. Once the board loads, take a moment to locate the item you want to remove. If your board is busy or you are zoomed far out, it can help to zoom in a little so you can select the correct object more easily. This reduces mistakes, especially when several widgets are close together. Next, select the widget you want to delete. In most cases, you can do this by clicking directly on the object on the canvas. When the widget is selected, you will usually see a highlighted outline or handles around it, which confirms that you have chosen the right item. If you accidentally select the wrong object, simply click on an empty area of the board to deselect, then click again on the correct widget. With the widget selected, click on Delete Widget. This action removes the selected item from the board. Be sure you only have the one widget you want to remove selected before you delete. If multiple items are selected at once, the delete action can remove all of them together. So take a second to confirm what is highlighted. After deleting, scan the area to confirm the widget is gone and the board looks the way you expect. If you are cleaning up a section of the board, repeat the same select and delete process for any other items you no longer need. This simple habit can make your boards easier to read and easier to collaborate on. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.